Hi, my name is Lucky Kagra and you are watching my YouTube channel Tech Guru Kagra. And in this video we are showing you the loading ramp at our Kagra pig loading station Muzaffarnagar. So we are here at the Kagra pig loading station Muzaffarnagar and we are sending some livestock for Siliguri because Assam market is still not open, and so we are limited to Siliguri market only, where we are offered 125 rupees per kg. However, if the market in Assam opens, then we will be offered around 150 to 160 rupees per kg. So by now we are not earning that great amount as we can get when we will be loading for Assam or Dimapur market. So this is the stock that we are sending to. And you can see the loading ramp at our pig loading station Muzaffarnagar. देखिए, look at this stock. This is not ready to be transported, and this will be transported next time when we hope things will be normal and Assam and Dimapur market will be open. So till now we have just struggled a lot and get nothing as profit. However, we are expecting that the things will get open very soon, and profit will be the main motive for each and every trader who are just ready and engaged in this business. But we are not currently earning any profit as we are buying product. We are buying livestock for around 110 to 115 rupees per kg and transporting the same with our cost and getting back 125 rupees per kg. So I don't think that we are getting that much amount, but we still hope for better, and better is only one thing, and that is opening up Assam and Nagaland market, and hope that will get activated or open. And the verdict is to be made on 22nd of February 2021, and we hope that verdict will be favorable for all traders, because traders are very anxiously waiting and anxiously waiting, very keenly waiting for that thing to be verdict in their favor. And if the verdict goes in the favor of traders and the market of Assam and Nagaland opens, so we can hope that we will be buying livestock from all farmers at a higher rate, higher price, and I hope they will also be able to earn good margin on their livestock. So that's all for now, and I hope I will be providing some essential information with you. So till then, thank you very much for joining us, and this stock is being transported to Siliguri market, where we will be offered marginally very less price, that is 125 per kg. So till then, take care, bye bye. This is Lucky Kagra from my YouTube channel Tech Guru Kagra, and we are here at our pig loading station Tech Guru Kagra, Muzaffarnagar. So thank you. This is how we farm and we load pigs via this very easy and very comprehensive pig loading station, pig loading ramp, you can say it to be. So thank you very much.